How yous going? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be respraying my fuel tank. So the first thing we need to do is remove the fuel tank. So to get to that, you need to remove your seat first. You have two 8mm bolts on either side that hold the seat. Now for the tank guards, you have 3 bolts, hold both of them on. Once you have the guards off, you want to go ahead and remove the 8mm bolt on the bottom of your fuel tank, and you have another bolt there and the same on the other side. You have two 8mm bolts. Hold your petcock on and make sure that you turn your fuel off. Once that is loose, you can disconnect your fuel line with your carburetor. Just be aware that you will drip a little bit of fuel. Okay. Now your fuel tank can be removed. So I've decided to use this dirty old milk crate because I don't particularly want to use any of my good stuff. So for this job I'll be using poly stripper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat this fuel tank with this paintbrush. This poly stripper is working quite well. Probably should wear gloves when using it. If it gets on your skin, it burns pretty bad. Yeah, all good. I'm just going to let that sit for about 20 minutes and then I'll try and scrape it off. This is the paint I'll be using. It's an Australian brand. It's emerald green, and I've seen this glitter, I think it's clear coat, first clear coat, and I look pretty cool with all the sparkles in it, so I thought I'd give it a try. Paint on it starting to peel pretty well, so I'll go ahead and see if I can get it off. Okay, I've given it a good scrape down one of these, so I might put another coating on it and have another go at it in another 20 minutes. Okay, so we're ready to paint. So I've used some wax and grease remover and made sure it was clean as I can get it. Okay, this is my final undercoat. Okay, first coat of colour. What a bad looking colour, this emerald green. I just sprayed the last coat of colour. Okay, this is after the second coat. I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours and then I'm going to put a layer of clear coat over it. Okay, that's about second coat of clear. I'll probably do 2 more coats and that'll be it. This is after 4 coats of clear and it is ready to go back onto the bike. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and I'll catch you next time. Thanks, bye.